Hello, my name is Samilu. Today, I would like to say the serious problem in my communities. And our community experiences floods every year during the rainy seasons because our village is located near the rivers. So flooding happens frequently and affects many people. During the flood, transportation and economic activities are disrupted, and learning becomes very difficult. Villagers cannot grow crops, which are their main source of income, causes great hardship for farmers. As a result, food prices increases and agricultural production become weaker. Moreover, schools are often closed for 2 to 3 weeks, which affects student education. If we don't take actions, flooding will continue to happen more often and become even more dangerous. People may lose their homes, crowd can be destroyed, and disease may spread. Roads, schools, and hospitals could also be damaged, making it harder for communities to recover. The longer we delay taking actions, the more serious the problems will become. Therefore, we must take responsibility and work together to solve this problem. We will cooperate with the community leader to raise awareness and find solutions. We will organize the school campaigns and create posters to educate villagers about the importance of not throwing garbage into the river and drains. In addition, we will plant more trees to help reduce flooding and protect the environment. By taking this action, we can reduce flooding and build a safer and stronger community for everyone. Thank you.